Good day, YouTube. This is Maurice over at Nulu Tool. Today I'm coming back at you with another press release from Milwaukee. This one is in reference to an expansion of their Air Tip vacuum accessory lineup. So I'll go ahead and get into the reading. Milwaukee Tool is expanding their line of Air Tip trade-focused vacuum accessories with 5 new solutions, each engineered with a specific job in mind. From extended reach, tight spaces, debris agitation, dust control, and specialty applications, ensuring all cleanup needs are met, fully compatible with Milwaukee and other wet dry vacuum brands with 1 1/4 inch, 1 7/8 inch, and 2.5 inch hose diameters. Each attachment offers a purpose-built advantage for job site cleanup challenges. The Air Tip Automotive Detail Brush delivers improved cleaning power for automotive professionals. Equipped with strong, stiff bristles, the brush effectively agitates stubborn debris lodged in automotive carpeting, including pet hair, sand, or road salt. The ergonomic design allows for comfortable push and pull cleaning motions, enabling a more efficient detailing process. This solution elevates the vehicle cleaning experience by addressing the debris that standard vacuum attachments often leave behind or cannot pick up. The Air Tip Boiler Coil Cleaning Brush Tool is designed to streamline and improve the boiler coil cleaning process. Strong, non-marring bristles effectively agitate and collect debris like soot, dirt, and rust in one step, eliminating the traditional two-step agitation and vacuum workflow. The slim profile and ergonomic grip provide improved comfort and control when working in tight spaces, especially when reaching deep into boiler coils. Engineered to handle the toughest buildup found in heat exchangers, condenser coils, AC filters, and MRO service applications, this air tip solution helps mechanical and HVAC techs achieve faster, more thorough results with less effort. Engineered to clip securely on a standard 5-gallon bucket, the Air Tip Bucket Topper Dust Collector delivers improved dust containment. Designed to capture dust plumes, this solution supports cleaner job sites and reduced user exposure during pouring and mixing applications. While attached to a 5-gallon bucket, the crescent-shaped design provides space for efficient mixing, making this a practical solution for tasks involving joint compound, concrete, or tile mixing. Designed to maintain suction to walls, the Air Tip Compound Dust Collector offers a hands-free cleanup experience in tight or enclosed areas. When connected to a vacuum, the rubber seal suctions to the wall, funneling debris directly into the collector, preventing dust from spreading across surfaces or into the air. This helps create a cleaner, safer work environment while reducing the secondary cleanup typically required after cutting, drilling, or sanding applications. Combining scraping and debris collection into a single step, the Air Tip Debris Scraper is an ideal cleanup solution for debris like drywall mud, carpet adhesive, grout, tile removal, and old paint. The chisel blade agitates and scrapes debris from the rigid surfaces while suction simultaneously removes material, eliminating the typical separate scraping and vacuuming steps. The ergonomic design promotes smooth push motions across floors, metal surfaces, and other hard materials. The sight window enhances visibility, allowing users to monitor debris collection. Additionally, the toolless blade release mechanism allows for quick, easy changes using the Air Tip Debris Scraper Blade 3-pack, helping maintain efficiency throughout the workday. Each of these new Air Tip vacuum accessories is part of the growing Air Tip family, designed to optimize job site cleanup across a wide range of trades and applications. With their focus on performance, user comfort, and versatile application, these solutions reinforce Milwaukee Tool's commitment to delivering trade-focused innovations that enhance productivity and elevate the cleanup experience. This latest expansion broadens their existing Air Tip lineup, bringing the total to 24 unique Air Tip solutions. So the model numbers for these products for the Air Tip Automotive Detail Brush is 49-90-2043. It is priced at an MSRP of $24.99, and it will launch in May of 2026. The Air Tip Boiler Coil Cleaning Brush Tool is model number 49-90-2046. Its MSRP is $29.99. Also launches in May 2026. The Air Tip Bucket Topper Dust Collector, model number 49-90-2041 will MSRP at $39.99, also launching in May 2026. The Air Tip Compact Dust Collector, model number 49-90-2044, will MSRP at $34.99, and it will also launch in May of 2026. The Air Tip Debris Scraper, model number 49-90-2047, MSRP is also at $34.99, and it also comes out in May 2026. And lastly, they're also coming with an Air Tip Debris Scraper Blade 3-pack, which is model number 49-90-1975. It will MSRP at $29.99, and it also launches in May of 2026. So I know this is kind of, rudimentary as far as, these are just some vacuum accessories, but I don't know, over the last 12 or so months, I've become very fond of the couple of Milwaukee vacuums that I personally use, between my 6-gallon wet dry vac and then my handheld portable vacuum. They are both complete lifesavers for a number of reasons. I've left links to all of the products over at acmetools.com. If you want to go ahead and get your pre-order on any of these, feel free to do so. And with that, we'll go ahead and wrap it up. If you found any good information in this video, please don't hesitate to like the video, share the video. Furthermore, subscribe to the channel. That would be wonderful. And with that, I'll leave you for the day, and thank you for taking the time to watch, and we'll catch you on the next one.